everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today it's another back to basics tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the treble crochet stitch, which is a step even taller than the double crochet. So without further ado, I just want to jump into this tutorial. So to get started, I've already chained 12, but you can chain any number of stitches you would like. But just note, when you get to the desired length of your project, you're going to be chaining an additional 4. This is the standard height for the treble crochet, but of course if you're following a pattern, you can listen to their instructions instead. Alright, so I have my 12 stitches here, and I'm going to chain my additional 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now that I've done that, I'm going to yarn over twice. So 1, 2. And you'll notice that I'm holding my yarn overs on my hook with my finger. It's just a force of habit, but it kind of keeps them there in a decent place. That's the best way I can explain that. Alright, and so what you're going to do is you are going to insert your hook into the 5th chain from your hook. So we're skipping all 4 of those chains we just made, and we're working into that 5th one. For me, it's down here where my fingers are. Again, force of habit, but if you are still pretty new to crocheting, you can get stitch markers to mark your places until you can better see your stitches. Alright, I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and now I have 4 loops on my hook. Now I'm going to yarn over again, pull through 2. Alright, I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. And now I'm going to yarn over and pull through those final 2. And here we have created our first treble crochet. Alright, now I'm going to make another one, so that's yarn over twice. 1, 2. I'm going to move and work into this next stitch. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook. I'm going to yarn over again. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It's that easy. People use this stitch for, I've seen sweaters, blankets, usually around that holiday rush time when they're trying to complete projects super fast. So we're going to work into the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Alright, and I'm going to keep doing this all the way across my row. When I get to the end, I should have 13 stitches because my chain does count as a stitch.
Am I working in frame? Oops.
Careful not to double crochet. It's really easy to get into a rhythm with this stitch and then you start double crocheting. It happens to the best of us. Remember to yarn over twice. Then insert your hook. Alright, working into that last stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is what the first row looks like. So as you guys may have noticed with these basic stitches, your first row or so may kind of curl up on the end for you. Mine is doing it here. It happens. It's completely normal. It's not your fault. So if it doesn't flatten out by itself, you can do what we call blocking, which I will probably redo that video as well in the future. Now I'm going to show you guys how to move on to the second row. So we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to turn our work. And similar to the double crochet, we're not working into this first stitch, or what I call the base of the chain. So we're going to be working into the second stitch of the row, which is right here. And I'm going to yarn over twice, insert my hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm going to work my row of treble crochets until I get to the end. Alright guys, so I've come to the end of my row, but I'm not quite done yet. Much like the double crochet stitch, when you come to the end of your rows after that first row, you have to remember this chain 4 at the end of the row. So again, you want to make sure that you're keeping up with your count of stitches. Like I said at the beginning, I chained a chain of 12 and then I added 4, so that was 16. Then when I yarned over and I worked into that 5th chain from my hook and started working that first row, I ended up with 13 stitches. And here I have 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. And so in order to create my 13th stitch, what I want to be able to do, or what I need to do, is yarn over twice and identify the top of that chain 4, which for me is right here. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull up that loop, and then work my treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Alright, and then I can bind off by chaining 1, pulling up a super tall loop, and I am going to cut my yarn that is on the left side of this loop, like that. And I'm going to pull that chain tight, and that closes off my project. This has been the treble crochet stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content, and it also lets me know what kinds of content you guys want to see from me. If you're interested in seeing my additional projects, I am all over Instagram at Infiniti Crafting Co. All of my social media links can be found in my description box below. In the iwhitley.card.co link, that's where all of my social media and website links are. And until next time, guys, happy making.